Today I'm going to show you how to make a Jeopardy on Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So first you need to add your table. Actually, I'm going to add the title first. And I'm just going to go up here and do this and type in Jeopardy. Jeopardy. And then I'm going to go to Insert, which is over in the left-hand corner next to Home, and then you're going to click Table, which is on the very left side of your computer screen. And you can add any size table you want, but I'm going to add a 5x5. And you're just going to make it so it's the full PowerPoint and click it so it's by the title. There you go. So now I'm just going to do a couple to show you because I'm not actually making this, but you guys can spend as much time as you want on it. So I just typed in math and science, and then you know that you have the numbers 100, 200, 300, 400, but I'm just going to do the 100s. I'm just going to show you the basics. Okay, so now you have math 100 and science 100. So you're going to want to make a new slide, and you're going to want to type in math 100, or whatever the question is. If it's like math 500, you'll type in math 500. And then you'll go down here, and since it's math 100 plus I want to make an easy one, I'm just going to do 4 plus 5 equals what? And then you'll make a new slide, and you'll type in math 100, or we'll just type in answer. And you can go down here and put in the answer. 4 plus 5 is obviously 9. So this is the part where it gets kind of tricky. So first, you have to highlight whatever the question is, not like the math part, but the 100 part. So you're going to highlight that, and then you have to go back over to Insert, and you'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little tabs, and you'll click on Hyperlink. And then you'll click on that, and you'll see 4 little blocks over on the left-hand side of that display box. And you'll click on the place in this document, which is the second one down. And you can click, like, if you're going to add a hint to your Jeopardy, you can always click on hint, and then you can go to existing file or web page, and you can type in, like, let's say it's just something about Jeopardy. You can type in Jeopardy.com. And then when you do that and you click on the hyperlink that you add, it will take you right to that website, and it is actually really cool. This hyperlink can do very many things, but for right now we're just going to stick in with our document. So it's the second one down, and you'll click on the question slide, which is number 2, and it says slide 2, and we titled it math 100, and you want to title them so that way you don't lose track of them. And then you do that, and you have your hyperlink, and you'll know when it's hyperlinked because it'll be a different color than the ones that haven't been hyperlinked. Then you will go down to the answer, and then you'll go down to the answer. Now you have to put another hyperlink on the answer, because if you don't and you just click, it's going to go down to the next question that you have. So we're going to highlight answer, or you can highlight anything on this box. You can highlight the bullet, you can highlight 9, and you're just going to go to answer, and then you're going to go over 8 again and click on hyperlink once again. And if it does not show up in place in this document again, you'll go down second block and you'll click on Jeopardy, because you want this to take you back to the home screen. So click on Jeopardy like that, and now that's highlighted so you can see this. Now watch what happens when you click F5, which is to see the PowerPoint. And now you can see the difference between Math 100 and Science 100, because Math 100 we just worked on. And you can click on Math 100, and then our question pops up. What is 4 plus 5? That is 9. So then you'll click the space bar or click the slide to go, and it'll give you the answer, 9. Now remember, we highlighted answer, so it's going to be blue. Then you click on answer, and it takes you back to the home Jeopardy screen. And I'm going to do one more just in case you guys didn't catch that very well. So first, you always need to add the new slides first. You can't add a hyperlink. So we'll type in Science 100, and then we'll add in a question. We'll just put, what is an abiotic, whoops, that's not how you spell that, abiotic factor. And I spelled that wrong, so let me check this real quick. We'll do biotic instead. What is a biotic factor? So then you're going to add the answer, and the answer is a factor that is living and affects the environment. Okay. So now you have that, and you can type in science 100. Now I want to show you something really cool. You don't always have to click on a word. You can always just go down to the corner. We'll go down to the corner, and we'll just do like a little crazy sign, like the swervy looking sign. And we're gonna highlight this. And actually, you can just highlight it and go to 8 over again. Make sure you're on Insert though, and click on Hyperlink, and you're gonna take this back to your Jeopardy. So now we have this hyperlinked, and I did not highlight this, I highlight this. You can highlight anything on that slide, and you just have to make sure you click on it. So now we have 2, and we're gonna go to F5, and hold on, I forgot to add that hyperlink, whoops. Okay, so you highlight Science 100, 8 over on the insert, hyperlink, and you're gonna want to go to your Science 100. I labeled them both, so it's kind of hard, but I know that slide 4 is the question. So then you'll do that, now you have your hyperlink. F5, we'll do the math 100 again. 4 plus 5 equals 9, and then remember, we highlighted answer, so you'll click on answer. Then you'll do 100, what is an abiotic factor? A factor that is living and affects the environment. Now, remember, we didn't highlight any of this, we highlighted this because it kind of stands out of the way. So you click on it, and it takes you back to the home screen. And in case you ever forget what you highlighted or you hyperlinked, because it might be hard to tell, whatever is the different color, like it could be blue, it could be pink, it's whatever you choose for the hyperlink color to be. And that's how you make a Jeopardy.